Hi, this is a screencast for EDU 214S, and it has to do with navigating the Google Plus interface. It's a little different than Facebook, as you can see. Here's home, and it's going to have every single post from all the circles that I operate in. And you can see there's quite a few here right now. That can get a little confusing, especially when you're doing your discussion posts, so there is a way to filter that out. You come over here, click More, and you can see you can focus just on a particular circle. If we go to group 2, you can see some things have disappeared. Now I'll be in most of the items because I'm in every group, so you should always see posts from me here. Let's go back to all. When you're making a post, I'm going to delete this for now. The first thing I like to do is to, and this won't always be up, you'll just see share what's new, is to choose who I want this to go to. That way I don't forget after I've made my post and send it to someone who I wasn't intending to receive the post. You can choose any of the groups. Now for the discussion post, you choose the group you're assigned to, of course. Otherwise, you can choose, for instance, the Teacher Tech Comedy Club. You can add more, you can add more than one group. I can add the lounge. So think about who you want your target audience to be. If I don't want to do it to a group, just to a particular student, then I can type in their name, choose them, and they become the recipient of the message, and only they will receive it. I do not want you to do any public posts at this time, anything concerning with the class. I want to keep it within our course. That way you can be pretty safe as far as what you share and discuss on some of these sites. So please, no public posts, and don't respond to public posts from this concerning the class at least. Just type in what you want to type. Same thing as Facebook, except when you hit enter, it's not going to go in there. It's just going to make a space. So I'll just type a few things. I'm just going to do nonsense syllables. Hit enter, and notice it just does a space. It doesn't post it like Facebook. You actually have to hit share for that to work. The other thing I'm very excited about is the add video. That's one thing I like about Google Plus over Facebook. You have several options, more than just these three, and what we're going to use it for is the fourth option, record video. Click on that. You'll see me in my glasses, which I'll usually have off because of the glare when it does the recording. Hit the record button, say what you want to say for your post, and you do have the option of answering the questions that I ask of you each week, video, rather than text, if that's easier for you. Actually, in fact, I would prefer it. The responses will be text, though, because you can only record an initial video. When you're done with the recording, hit the record button again, and you can play it back. You can watch and see how well you did. If you don't like it, hit start over. If you are happy with it, and by the way, you may not be happy with your recorded voice at first. It gets a little bit to get used to, but it's fine. Click add video if you like that. You'll see it's compressing it a little bit, and eventually it will pop in over here. It's still not shared. You still have to hit share before that becomes part of your post. So if you still don't like it, you can always delete if you have second thoughts and then start over again. Other things here, profile, that will get you to your profile page so you can see everything that you have initiated. Explore, these I'm not too concerned with. Events, if you want to do some events, but circles. This is where you set up your circles, or where I set them up. You can notice there's more than what you have because we have 5 discussion groups. You'll only share the circle that you are a member of. So keep that in mind. You're going to be doing the discussions with those 4 people, or 3 other people you've been assigned with. And I will share new circles each week for each module. That way we can kind of keep them separate. Again, you're going to be able to go to your news feed and filter out based on the circle you want to read. Over here, tools, settings, send feedback, take a tour. I encourage you to look through those, see what they do. And for now, that is all I have for this screencast.